welcome to the yoga room. Today we're going to do some down dogs. We're welcoming May. I don't know about where you are, but here it's been a very gray day, the beginning of May, and hopefully by the weekend, by Mother's Day, it's going to be beautiful. So we're going to start out with some warm-ups before we do the down dogs, and we're going to be doing modified down dogs. So I'm hoping everybody has a chair, okay? So let's just start by opening the armpit chest area, okay? So we're going to take our right arm and stretch sideways. So you feel a stretch in here. And let's stretch the other way. You can do this in your chair, of course. Stretching here. And again. And again. Okay, now we'll roll the shoulders. If you want to practice your bark, ruff, ruff. I wish I had a dog. I had a dog for many years, but I don't now, so I have to do with down dog. Okay, so we're going to take our chair. So you want to take your chair, okay? Put the heels of your hand on the chair and put your right leg back. So what we're doing is stretching the calf. And come back up on your toe, drop the heel, lift the heel, drop the heel, lift the heel, drop the heel, and then step that right leg forward, left leg back. So lift the heel, drop the heel, lift the heel, drop the heel. So feeling the stretch in the calf, maybe the hamstrings. Okay, and now put your feet together and just bend the knees and push, keeping the back straight. So if I have my yardstick, as flat as you can get it. Okay, as flat as you can get it. You do the best you can, okay? So bend the knees. Come on up and then bend the knees again. I have my hands flat. And then if you can put your hands on top of the chair, stretching the armpit. Dropping the heart. So drop your heart down. Stretch the armpit. You'll feel some hamstring stretch. And come on up. So essentially that was a down dog. So a down dog without the chair, if anybody wants to do this, is like so. So, if you're able to do that down dog, go right ahead and I'll give the leg variations. Otherwise, put the hands on your chair, okay? And lift your buttock up and down. And then push your buttock back. So then come forward slightly, lift the buttock up and down. So coming up on the metatarsals, lifting the heels, reaching with the tip of the tailbone up, as if you had a tail. This is a big tail, but the tail is wanting to wag up. Okay, so you're wagging your tail up and then sending your tail back. Okay, tail up and then tail back. So tail up, tail back. Tail up, tail back. Tail up, tail back. Okay, and now we're going to do three-legged dog. So tail back, lift the right leg. Bring that right leg down, lift the left leg. Lift the right leg. Lift the left leg. Okay, now lift the right front paw. The left front paw. The right front paw. And the left front paw. And stretch the tail back. And just stand up and rest a moment. Now we're going to do male dogs and female dogs. Okay? So, putting your hands on the chair. Come back to your down dog with chair prop. And we're going to lift the right leg and then turn. Turn the knee down, put the foot down. Let's try that again. So bend the right knee, lift the right knee, drop the right knee, drop the right foot. Let's do it again. Bend the right knee, lift the right knee, drop the right knee, drop the right foot. So we'll do it to the left. Bend the left knee, lift the left knee, drop the left knee, drop the foot. Lift the left knee and down. And one more time. Lift the left knee, turn the left knee, drop the left knee and down. So that should feel very nice in the SI joints in the lower back. Okay, so now we're going to do the female dog. Open your feet wide, bend your knees, and come down. Straighten the legs, come forward, bend, push back, bend the knees, and come down. Come up, slide forward, go back, bend the knees, and come down. Straight legs, and now upward facing dog. Using your chair, here's the versions. Bring your belly button towards the chair, and you could stay here, or you could look up. So this is down dog, moving belly button towards the chair to up dog. So let's do that 5 times. Down dog, up dog, down dog, up dog, down dog, up dog. Down dog, up dog, and one more time. Down dog, and up dog. and you can move the chair. Now we'll do some downward puppy poses. So coming down on your knees, I'll show you what to do in the chair if you can't get down on your knees. And open your knees really wide. Bring your hands out in front of you. And now we're going to drop the heart towards the floor. Okay, and if you're in the chair, we're going to repeat that downward puppy. But if you're in the chair, and it's too hard to get on the floor, just bring your buttocks back and drop the heart down. You can put your hands here. So if you're on the floor, your hands are forward and you're dropping down. And we can face the chair. If you're on the chair, repeat the down dog on the chair. If you're on the floor, you can put your hands here. We're going to get extra stretch in the armpit. And then come to tabletop, wag your tail, turn and look at your right heel, turn and look at your left heel, turn and look at your right, turn and look at your left. And now we'll do the hunting dog. So if you can lift your right leg and your right arm, so you can use the chair if you like, or not use the chair. So hunting dog. Come down, and now left leg up, right arm. And let's repeat. Right leg, left arm. Right arm, left leg. Okay, and for the final pose, we'll try a regular down dog. So from tabletop, move your hands slightly forward, curl the toes under, inhale, exhale, and it's as if a huge crane has taken your hips and lifted them up. So you can bend your knees, leave them straight, push back, lift your tail. So if you have a tail, you're lifting it up. And let's walk our feet towards our hands, bend the knees, put your hands on your thighs, come on up, and we'll just sit for a moment together. After practicing our dog. So we practiced with the chair, we practiced lifting three-legged dogs, four-legged dogs, hunting dogs. So we kind of did the upward dog and the downward dog. So the whole sequence of dog poses in yoga. Having a bit of fun today. So let's breathe together, heart breathing, using the heart as your nostril. You can leave your hands on your heart if you like, or on your lap, or fold them, whatever feels good. And let's breathe together using the heart as our nostrils. And give your heart a rub. And gather that heart energy and send it out into the world. So thank you very much for inviting me into your house. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great week. Have a wonderful first week of May. Bye-bye.